Morning everyone. So I forgot to end the vlog again last night. We went to Disney Springs, to Paddlefish, had a really good meal. Not quite as good as California Grill, but we weren't expecting it to be. But yeah, it was really nice, and we bought a load of stuff from Disney Springs. I managed to splurge a little bit on another Spirit jersey and a Cogsworth, but we'll do a haul when we get back anyway, just to show you everything. So today we're kind of having a chilled day, as it's Saturday, and we're not heading to any of the parks because they tend to be absolutely rammed at the weekend. So we are going to head out and do some shopping. We've got the cups because we're about to go and get some breakfast. I'm not sure if this outfit is a bit too matchy, a bit too matchy. So there. A bit too much? A bit too nautical? Not sure. As yeah, we're going to head and get some breakfast from the quick service restaurant in the hotel before we head out. And tonight's our last night at Port Orleans because we're moving across to Royal Pacific over at Universal tomorrow. So we'll check out of here tomorrow and go to our new hotel. So today we're doing something very exciting again. Just like the other day, don't say we don't show you the best stuff, because we are doing some more laundry. I told you we were doing something exciting, didn't I? So this is the laundry room at Port Orleans French Quarter. Although I joke, it's actually quite handy. Because it means that we can take back a lot of cleaner clothes. Save me some washing when I get back. One of the other reasons we're not going to the parks today, not only is it likely to be busy, is we think we're forecast some rain. Is it some rain?
Yeah, I might have some showers this afternoon.
Some showers. When we say rain, it's not like at home, that you get it and it's gone again pretty quickly.
Not a deciding factor, but it's a combination of factors.
Yeah.
Just keep spinning, just keep spinning.
And here's the rain we thought was coming. It's still really hot. But this will probably last about 5 minutes, if that. So yeah, we're going to get our stuff together and go shopping, I think. It's so hot it's steaming up the camera still. Haven't vlogged much today. We just went to Walmart and to the premium outlets. So went to shopping. Got my brother's birthday present. I think Jamie looks like he's in the army. He looks like one of the toy soldiers in Toy Story. I've got a new t-shirt from Old Navy. And we're going to get to the boat down to the Springs for dinner and to spend our snack credits. Here's a closer look at Jamie. We're trying to spend our snack credits.
Got 14 left.
14 snack credits. And how many meal service?
2.
4? 4.
4.
Which equates to 12 snack credits. We're not going to be able to spend it all. We'll have to get loads of sweets. Look at the sky. It's going to rain.
We've got 96 kilos worth each that we can bring back.
Each? Yeah. That's 96 kilos each. We should be fine. We haven't got enough room in our cases. Okay, I have to buy another case. So we're going to go to Sprinkles now.
Just farms in the area.
Yeah, we're going to go to Sprinkles. I really want to try out the Sprinkles like cash machine type thing.
I don't know if you can use the button for the trip on the cash machine.
We'll show you when we get there anyway. The thing is, I don't even... Oh yeah, Jamie got fudge.
Fudge.
And I got some chocolate for the lady looking after for us.
They already did the fudge in there. She'd been to Oxford.
She has?
And she was nice.
Sorry.
She was lovely.
She was nice.
It's unusual compared to the mini moto place we just went to.
Yeah, we didn't have very good service in the mini moto place.
It's probably not even called mini moto.
They were pretty rude.
Morimoto.
Really rude. But it was really good food, so I'd actually go back there because it was actually good for like a quick bite to eat.
And they did apologise for making a mistake.
Yeah, they did.
Fucking up.
So now we're going to go to, like I say, Sprinkles. The thing is, I just want the sponge on the cake. I don't want all the icing and the frosting and stuff. Oh, it's starting to spit. Or is that the water? Or is that the water off that?
It's spitting.
Just around here is where Blaze Pizza is, which apparently is really good, but we're still yet to try it. We still didn't even try it on this trip.
Well, now I've got credit.
We've got the credits, but we just can't eat it all. There's Blaze Pizza.
Gives me some very good pasta.
No, I didn't. Jamie keeps pretending he's spotted famous people, but he hasn't. That or he keeps shouting Alan, anyone with a beard and a bald head.
Yeah, Alan's definitely here. And every now and then you'll go, Larry! See if anybody notices.
Oh, this is the man with the rolling piano. He's literally rolling away right now.
We got a phone pattern. He wants the money. Give him the money.
Yeah.
That's the emergency stop man.
It's so humid. It was 80% humidity today.
Because of the rain.
Oh. Where is Sprinkles?
Huh? Hang on, right. One next one on the right.
I could go in there and spend lots more money, but I'm sure Jamie won't want me to. I think I've spent enough.
Oh no, so it's left down here, on the right. I'm a soul man. Oh!
There's the ATM. Can't use snack credits with Sprinkles. It's best we don't go in there again. Hey everyone, so I'm going to close off the vlog for the evening. And we're back in the room. Just got our last boat journey back from the Springs.
Yeah, baby.
So yeah, it was really nice having the boat just outside the door. And it was nice just popping up to Springs and back on the boat. Was it like 15 minutes each way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I did online check-in before we turned up on my Disney Experience app. And you could do a special request. And it gave you like guard, corner room, close to transportation. You could only pick like one or two.
What, special things?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't pick like everything.
Yeah. So what did you pick? Close to transportation. So we're actually not too far away from the buses either, because French Quarter is a relatively small resort, which I think I've said before. We're lucky that we're not too far away from anything, but we are closest to the... Sorry, Jamie's looking at the viewfinder.
Go look at the camera. There you go, they can talk.
Okay. On purpose not having the viewfinder up this whole trip, because otherwise I find myself looking at the viewfinder rather than the camera. But Jamie is now looking really closely at it. So yes, like I said before, it's quite a small resort, so we're not far away from anything. We are closest to the boat personally, and it works really well for us, which is nice.
Building number 2.
Yeah, building number 2 and room number 2128 for anyone who is particularly interested. So I'm now going to pop over to the restaurant because I want to have a cup of tea.
That's also really close.
Yeah, the restaurant's really close.
If you've been in transportation, you're near the centre of everything.
You are. So I'm going to get a cup of tea so I can have a couple of Chips Ahoy cookies before I go to bed, because I'm British and I need a cup of tea. And I only today discovered that there is English breakfast tea that we can get anytime we want.
You gotta have it in your coast, your big mug.
Yeah, I've got to have it in my big mug.
Resort cup.
Yeah, my resort cup, this one.
I'm naked! You just spun around in front of me.
I'll have to edit Jamie out being naked then, if he's in it. So if you see a bit of a jumpy bit, it's because he's naked. Right, I'm going to go and get it. So thank you for watching, and tune in tomorrow because we are heading to Royal Pacific. Is that right?
Lowe's Royal Pacific.
Lowe's Royal Pacific.
Universal
I keep forgetting what it's called, but yeah, we're heading over to Universal. I'm really excited to get to Universal. And we're going to upgrade our annual passes to include Volcano Bay while we're there, so we can pop there as well. So check it out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Got my tea. Yeah.